Be the change you want to see the world. So what changes you want to see in the world, you have to change in yourself. This is the thought of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, father of the nation India. One more thought of Gandhiji: the future depends on what we do in the present. What we do in the present, that is the future of our country and ourselves. What we will do in the present. If you work hard for our studies or our everything, we will be core for the future. It will be helpful for the future. So it is the thought. Now one by one, I will show you pictures and the story of Mahatma Gandhi. Children, listen carefully. Mahatma Gandhi was the
Ma'am,
greatest. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest son of our motherland, India. He was the leader of Indian freedom struggle movement, which led India to get her freedom from the administration of Britishers. He was also the great politician of the world. Children, Mahatma Gandhi had a unique influence over the people of India. The simplicity of his life, his inspiring leadership, his care for the poor, and his horror for against all form of violence made a profound impression on them. He instilled in Indians a new pride in their country and led them in their struggle of independence against Britain. So, Mahatma Gandhi was a great politician of the world. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Kathiawar, Gujarat. Where he born? In Kathiawar, Gujarat. So, his real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. What is his real
ma'am,
name?
change the picture.
Children, Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest son of our motherland, India. He was the leader of Indian freedom struggle movement, which led him to get her freedom from the administration of Britishers. He also the great politician of the world. So, children, Mahatma Gandhi was a great influence over the people of India and the world because of his unique simplicity of his life and very unique leadership. And he was very fond of poor. And the way Swaraj and the way he do non-violence, that is remarkable for all the world. There is not a single leader like Mahatma Gandhi born in any country. So children, one by one, I will show you the picture. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Kathiawar, Gujarat. 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Kathiawar, Gujarat. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His mother was a religious lady and father held a high and responsible post in Porbandar. He belonged to a well-to-do Vaishya family. He received his school education in local school after he was married to Kasturba. So his father was a very good official in Indian Porbandar. The population, the Indian population there was kept separate from the both sides. His father was an official, and when Gandhi was 19 years old, he went to England to study law. Soon after, he returned to India. After study law, he became a qualified barrister for legal profession. Then he returned to India. And after some time, practicing in Mumbai High Court. And then after few days of practicing, he was went to Natal in South Africa. Where he go? In South Africa for he accepting a post of there in the Africa, and in that country he first become conscious of injustice in the world. In Africa he he realized the condition of the people of the world when he go to South Africa. Where he go after getting barrister's degree, lawyer's degree, he go to South Africa, and in South Africa he first understand what is injustice was done in the world. The Indian population there was kept separated from both white and black races, and in South Africa what happened? People of European were treated very good way, and Indian and other black people were treated very badly there. So Gandhi there he lead. He was come as a leader in that South Africa, and he urged the Europeans that don't behave like this with the Indians. Where he start his struggle? In South Africa, not in India. He started his struggle in the South Africa. Okay, children? There he saw humiliation of Indians when he himself was thrown away from the railway compartment. He entered in the European compartment. Okay, there was in train also, there was different bogies. For Indians, different bad, not good quality bogies. And children, what you written, I will explain. I am explaining also that. Okay. So in train, in South Africa's train, there is different bogies. One for Europeans, another for Indians. In Europeans bogie, in European compartment, if any Indian entered, they throw them from the train compartment. So that happens with the Gandhiji, and his self-esteem was challenged, and there only he decided to throw Britishers out of India. That movement, that thing, when he threw out from the train, he decided that now I will protest Britishers from India. Now he trying, he practiced, he come, and in between, when he was in South Africa, he came back to India. What happened? World War 1899 to 1902, there is First World War happened. Gandhi hoped the situation will get better, but in fact it became worse. It was the first he put into practice his method of combating injustice. So now after World War, Gandhi thought that now the situation will be good, but it is not happened. Now after Second World War, the things will get more dangerous. दुनिया की हालत और खराब हो गई फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद. एंड नाउ व्हाट Gandhiji start, he invented and practiced weapon of fighting for a noble cause without any weapon. This was सत्याग्रह. जो उन्होंने लड़ाई शुरू की ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ. He started a fight with for Britishers, that is called सत्याग्रह. What is the meaning of सत्याग्रह? वर्ड में ही छुपा हुआ है. सत्य के लिए आग्रह. सत्य मीन्स ट्रूथ, जस्टिस, जो सही हो उसके लिए आग्रह करना. बेटा आग्रह मतलब होता है रिक्वेस्ट. तो उन्होंने कौन सा रास्ता चुना लड़ाई करने के लिए? व्हाट पाथ ही चूज? ही चूज नॉन वायलेंस. सच्चाई के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करना. ही रिक्वेस्टेड एंड ही सिट इन वन प्लेस विथ हिज फॉलोअर्स. और वो क्या करते थे? बिना खाए हुए धरने पे बैठ जाते थे. दैट इज the way he choose for getting independence. These things he do which not any leader do. किसी और नेता ने कभी ऐसा करने का सोचा ही नहीं था कि ऐसे भी करके हम लड़ाई लड़ सकते हैं. So he was very unique for his ways. His satyagraha was comprised of two components, truth and non-violence. Gandhi returned to India in 1914. At this time, still a warm admirer. He was also like British that time, but gradually he understands that no, these Britishers are not good for India. They only come to made us very bad. So what he do? What he believed? Children, I am changing the slide. You can see here his childhood pictures. Very nice childhood pictures you can see. with his mother. This picture is with his mother, and this is his young picture. I will send you slides. See, this all are his early growing ages pictures. So children, very good in spiritual and thinkers. We are thinkers. So after the war, Second World War finished, British rule in India most deeply tragic incident of Amritsar. What British do? They shoot Indian people in Amritsar in the April 1919. Jallianwala Bagh Kand when troops opened fire on Indian crowd, killing hundred of people. This happens in very massive struggle. उन लोगों ने क्या किया, ब्रिटिश पुलिस ने जलियांवाला बाग में सारे लोग इकट्ठे हुए थे, उन सब पे गोलियां चला दी. So, 1 second, students, 1 second. 19, when a troop of a policeman, British police, fired on the crowd of Indian, killing hundred of people. And that is the major turning point of Indian struggle history. जब इतने सारे लोग मर गए तो सारे जो इंडियंस थे वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गए, एंड दे सपोर्ट महात्मा गांधी. They support Mahatma Gandhi for his struggle. Mahatma Gandhi was very angry to see the situation of Jallianwala Bagh. In 1921, Gandhi persuaded his followers to use the weapon of satyagraha. This campaign was not success because people not understand his feelings, what he going to tell. They are very angry from Britishers. Now, soon after, what happened? Gandhiji was so influenced that the Britishers arrested him. उन्होंने क्या किया? गांधीजी को arrest कर लिया. What he do? For 6 years. For 6 years, they put Gandhiji in the jail. But after 2 years, he was out from the jail because of his ill health. वो बीमार हो गए and he come out from the jail. On his recovery, Gandhiji again returned to political life and become the president of, where he was the president of National Congress, which is the most biggest party that time. And he fight for Indian freedom. And then we got the independence in 1947. And now how he got death, that I will now. 30 January 1948, Gandhiji was assassinated at a prayer meeting in New Delhi. He was going for a prayer meeting in New Delhi 1948. Children, listen. 30 January 1948, when Gandhiji was going for a prayer, Nathuram Godse killed him in the way. When he was going for a prayer, Nathuram Godse, a Hindu person who killed by shoot Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi was dead in the same point when he was shoot. But his soul, his great soul was with us till date, and we follow all the thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi till date. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, all the non-violence movements, still we following. The rules, not only we Indians, all over the world following Gandhiji's beliefs. Thus, Gandhiji came in close contact with very Indian people. See, now you see the pictures one by one. This is Gandhiji's picture with his wife Kasturba. This is his lifelong pictures. See, he go with the persons. He was very influenced. See, now see the children, this is the salt march. It is very unique what he done. The salt march on Namak Andolan was one of the most dramatic experiment of Gandhiji, which eventually changed the course of the country's history. The British government levied a tax on the production of salt. You know, children, salt is a natural thing. Okay? Salt is the natural thing. उसका कभी भी हम टैक्स नहीं लगा सकते हैं. ये बताया हुआ है कि when सॉल्ट नेचुरली आता है, तो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, व्हाट टू डन, दे गिव सॉल्ट ऑन द टैक्स ऑन द सॉल्ट। तो उन्होंने क्या किया, व्हाट दे डन, they put tax on the salt. Then what Gandhi ji do? He decided to challenge the British. So what he done? उन्होंने क्या किया, come with his followers, he decided to defeat the salt law on 12th March 1930. He set out from his ashram along with 78 ashramites to the seaside village of Dandi. On arrival there, after 24 days, Gandhiji picked up a handful of salt in a symbolic act of defiance of the salt lake. बच्चों, ये जो दांडी का सॉल्ट लेक नमक यात्रा था, वो अभी वहां पर एक बहुत बड़ा म्यूजियम बन गया है। इफ यू गो, गुजरात में ही है हमारे, अब अगर अभी कभी आप दांडी में जाओगे तो यू कैन सी द म्यूजियम, और वहां पर गांधी जी से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी चीजें देखने को आपको मिलेगी। वी आर लिविंग गुजरात, so we can go to see these places. It is very nice, very awesome to see. Now one more thing which we have to know about Gandhiji, Gandhiji's bonfire. See in the picture, Gandhiji, it is also one of the greatest way. गांधीजी का एक बहुत ही ग्रेटेस्ट वे था। उन्होंने क्या किया था, व्हाट ही डन, गांधी जी रिक्वेस्टेड ऑल द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया टू थ्रो द ब्रिटिश गुड्स लाइक क्लोथ्स, ब्रिटिश के बनाए हुए क्लोथ्स, ही से टेल द ऑल द थिंग्स, ऑल द गुड्स व्हिच रिलेटेड टू ब्रिटिश, वी हैव टू थ्रो ऑन द फायर। तो बड़ा सा बॉनफायर किया, और दे पुट ऑल द ब्रिटिश गुड्स लाइक वॉचेस, क्लोथ्स on the fire, and they rejected British things. So their वो जो लोग व्यापार करते थे, that stopped. It is the one of the major changes what happened in Indian struggle, and for this small gesture we got our freedom in 1947, thanks to Mahatma Gandhi. And you know children, who given the name Mahatma to Mahatma Gandhi? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, द ग्रेट पोइट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। वो बहुत प्यार से गांधी जी, क्योंकि गांधी जी महात्मा की तरह रहते थे, ही नॉट वेयर प्रॉपर क्लोथ, वो जैसे सन्यासी लोग पहनते हैं, ही जस्ट लाइक दैट ही वॉर द क्लोथ। सो टैगोर, पोइट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर विथ लव गिव द नेम MK गांधी, महात्मा, प्यार से उनको महात्मा बुलाते थे, तो इसी नाम से वो फेमस हो गए, महात्मा गांधी। And Mahatma Gandhi called Rabindranath Tagore Gurudev. Gurudev. You can see the pictures. You will see the real pictures of Mahatma Gandhi. I collected for you. You can see Dandi March. This is a rare picture of Mahatma Gandhi. You can see. Also, you can see he was so good with Englishmen also. Everyone liked him because of his behavior, his nature. See Dandi March, when he collected the salt without permission. He's walking for salt march. See the pictures. Now children, you have to write this. You have to write this in your notebook. Small brief about who is Rabindranath Tagore. Yes children, Rabindranath Tagore was the greatest poet of India, जिन्होंने जन गण मन लिखा था, आवर नेशनल एंथम। हमारा नेशनल एंथम क्या है? जन गण मन। हम गाते हैं ना जन गण मन, वो किनका लिखा हुआ है बेटा? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। And he was the, one second dear, and Rabindranath Tagore was the first Nobel Prize winner from the Asia. पूरे एशिया में से जो पहले पर्सन थे रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर थे जिनको नोबेल प्राइज मिला था। तो वो था वेरी कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर, द टू मेकर्स ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया एक्चुअल, गांधी जी एंड टैगोर were drawn to each other. It was perhaps Tagore's love for his country that brought him closer to Gandhiji. He acknowledged Gandhi's greatest by calling him Mahatma, and Mahatma Gandhi called him Gurudev, because he was the guru, the teacher. Now one by one